Hello guys, again Corsa 1.2 2007 Corsa D. What I have here is my left door speaker. I just remove it because I hear some bad sound, and like you can see here, somebody blow the speakers. So it looks so bad and the sound is really bad. What is the solution here? Buy a new one, or at the moment I have one from Mini Cooper, and it's exactly 5 ohms. I think the speakers are 4 ohms, so, or 8, I'm not quite sure. Need to open and see what it is. So I'll try to fit Mini Cooper speakers to this one and see if this works. What I notice is the Mini Cooper has this one like plug, and Corsa is with this one. So I have this one. I can try to fit it, or just unplug here and try to fit here. I will see what I can do, but yeah, that's my DIY project at the moment, and see if the sound better with the Mini Cooper speakers. I hope so. They're fine, because I heard a couple of Mini Cooper sounds and they have a good one. Okay, this is the clip from the original speakers. Like you see, you can unclick this and just pull the wires. There is a very small gap there. You need to little bit wiggle, and with something little bit sharp, but not to damage the wire. You can unplug and just swap the plug. Okay, the Mini Cooper speakers fit, but like you see here, I have one not on the place. But what I did here is just, I haven't got a big washer to hold this on a place, because probably the sound will be not very nice. That's why I use one of the can bottle opener and stick it. So what I'm planning to do is to do the same for the next one, and I will use Pepsi. Yeah, thank you Pepsi for saving my ass here. That's a little bit advertisement for Pepsi probably. Thank you Pepsi. And yeah, I will do the same here, and I will have nice Mini Cooper speakers in Corsa 1.2. So I think the sound will be much better than Corsa, because Mini Coopers use a good quality speakers, not like Corsa. I will see the difference later on. And the thing is, I can't play for you because YouTube will be strike me immediately, but I can really write in the comments that that's the perfect sound. So that's all for me now. So here is the final result. One on this side, one on the side, and the top one is the original. The wire is going from there. I don't worry, because there is a rubber, which is okay. So yeah, that's the project.